Hello dear viewers. First of all, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to be showing you some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts that can save your time and improve your productivity. First tips is Alt plus F4. F4 is also called function 4. The first shortcut I am going to show you is Alt plus F4. This is a quick and easy way to close any open window on your computer. Simply hold down the Alt key and press F4. This will immediately close the current window and return you to the desktop. The next shortcut is Alt plus Tab. This is a great way to quickly switch between open windows on your computer. Simply hold down the Alt key and press Tab. This will bring up a list of all open windows, and you can cycle through them by continuing to press Tab. When you have selected the window you want to switch, simply release the Alt key. The third shortcut is Ctrl plus plus. This is a quick and easy way to zoom in on any document or web page. Simply hold down the Ctrl key and press the plus key. This will increase the size of the text and images on the screen, making it easier to see and read. The final shortcut I am going to show you is Ctrl plus 0. This is a quick and easy way to reset the zoom level on any document or web page. Simply hold down the Ctrl key and press the 0 key. This will return the text and images on the screen to their original size. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this keyboard shortcut helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching my videos.